Get any job done for a fraction of the price with the help of the reliable 82XTC tractor from Nortrac. Getting out of tough spots in the field is easy thanks to the reliable Dana front drive axle, four-wheel drive, and hydraulic power steering. The shuttle shift transmission features a full 16 forward and 8 reverse speeds. Front and rear turn signals keep you legal if work takes you on the open road. A step-through cockpit design gives you easy access to the climate-controlled cab. It includes an easy view instrument panel with gauges to monitor fuel level, engine temperature, oil pressure, hours, and amps. The AM/FM stereo system and suspension seat combine to let you work in maximum comfort. In the event of a rollover, an OSHA certified structure keeps you protected, while the enclosed cab protects you from the elements. The tractor's ready to power your implements thanks to a 3-point Category 2 hitch and a PTO drive that offers 2 speeds, either 540 or 1000 RPMs. The 82XTC from Nortrac, engineered for years of trouble-free performance and designed to be ready to work when and where you need it.